In this guide, you'll learn how to create Epic Games account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Epic Games sign up. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, the official Epic Games website. Now you'll be directed to this page. Click on the option create an account. Now click on the option no. Go ahead and enter your date of birth, month, day and year and click on the option continue. Now you can use these options to create your account, Google or Apple ID, or manually enter your email address. After you type in, click on continue. Now fill these details: first name, last name, generate strong password for your account. Likewise, select the display name. Check in for these options. Then click on the option continue. Now complete this verification process. Then you will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have entered. Check your mail and type in the code over here. Once you type in the code, click on continue, and just for that your account has been created. Now from here you can customize these details, account information, personal details, company details, and that's it. Now you can navigate to the store page and explore the games. So this is how you can easily create Epic Games account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.